Let's go down this forest for a minute. This is cool forest. We are at Cherry Springs. Well, I'm gonna try for a fish right here. Can you see that? There's my beautiful wife, she's coming up. She's gonna witness me catch a freaking 10-pounders out of here. What do you say to that, baby? I'm gonna catch me a 10-pounder. Ah! You can hear them already. I got me a spinner on right here to try it out. See that? I got a hit. Well, I guess I didn't catch crap. What's the shot anyway? What are you guys doing?
What does it look like we're doing?
It's all these gnats flying up in the sky.
Yeah, I need to do my daily one.
Hold up. Pick it up. He's got one. He's got one. He's got one. He's got one. Woohoo! Yeah.
He's gonna be dinner for tonight.
Gosh dang, he's a fighter. Woohoo!
It's a brookie.
It's a brook trout.
I knew I caught some. I knew I hooked something.
Yeah,
Look how pretty it looks.
Pretty like
Look,
a
look,
What is that? Is that bass?
It's salmon. Daddy, can I take a picture of it?
Yeah, you can take pictures.
It looks
There
like
you go.
salmon.
Idaho.
Oh, Daddy,
Look how pretty this guy
Daddy,
is.
let me get a close shot.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah, go ahead.
pretty.
Give me a close shot.
Okay, Dalton, you're gonna let it go. Okay, ready? Slow, 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 slow.
That's okay, man.
There it goes.
Okay. All right, let's go. We gotta go.
Let's go.
That was cool. That was
Yeah.
fun.
That's all he did. It's just that. Bouncing it around. And he caught one. It smells like mint somewhere around
I
here.
know, it smells good.
I like the way that mint smells.
Yeah, baby. Okay, we're coming.
You lost that shrimp. Well, he uses,
This. Get a full shot. Just shrimp.
raw shrimp. Raw shrimp. Okay.
All right, let's go. Now.
Okay, here we go. This is so cool. Oh. Woo. Let's go down this forest for a minute. This is cool forest. Wow, this is so cool. Nice and cool too. The wind is nice and cool. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn around and we can go through this. And there's also another bridge right over here. Got the gnats flying all the way around. My goodness. See that? Beautiful. 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 Okay, now forward. To the car we go. Hopefully still recording. Woo! Give it some speed so I can go up the hill.
There's a stink bug there, Dad.
A stink bug where? All right. Dun, 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 dun. What do you got there, Dalton?
Did you get anything?
No,
good
we got
job.
nibbles, but that's it, honey.
Well, I'll try fishing. I didn't catch nothing. But look how beautiful it is over here at Cherry Springs, Idaho. And I think I'm just going to scoot around and show the beauty of what Cherry Springs, Pocatello, Idaho looks like in this time. Memorial Day 2025. Here it is. Okay, son, let's take a spin around here. Okay, let's go. It's a loop, and now we're just heading back towards that bridge. And after the bridge, you go up to the parking spots, or the parking lot. Ooh la la. Woohoo! We're traveling at, according to this thing, 14 kilometers an hour. And
Fist bump. Have a good night.
You guys too.
You too.
So beautiful there. It's kind of tricky to ride with one hand. I just don't realize how that little teeny waterfall under that bridge, how loud it can be. My goodness.
Wait a minute, I need to check if any more cans though, that trash can. No, that's okay, though. That's how I can make money though, that's the thing.